Hi there, thank you for purchasing the Sinking Fund Tracker from 52 Week Finance. We appreciate your support and hope you find the product as useful as our other customers have. If you do, please leave a comment on our Etsy shop to show even more support and prove to future customers this product is worthwhile. As part of the purchase, you get access to this YouTube video which shows you how to use the product. We will talk through each step for completing the Sinking Funds Tracker and what sort of information you'll need. Let's get into it. With the ability to create up to 50 sinking funds, begin by inserting the key ones you want to start saving towards. To do this, you'll need to fill out the name, fund end goal, starting amount, fund start date, and fund completion date cells, as shown here. You can also add in notes to keep track of what your fund is for. These can be added here. Here's an example of a sinking fund with all the required data being input. You can see the months until fund end date and monthly contributions to fill fund have been updated automatically, shown here. You can also see the total contributions per month to fill funds and number of active sinking fund cells have also been updated, as shown here. If you have ideas for multiple sinking funds, go ahead and plug in the details now. Here's some other examples to get you thinking. Again, the cells which auto-update have done so to capture all the added information, shown here. Next, onto the sinking funds transaction sheet. The date, amount paid, and description cells, shown here, require manual text input. The sinking fund cells can be selected from the drop-down menus, based on what you added back at the setup page. Here's an example of a transaction being logged. If you're catching up on previous transactions, go ahead and plug them all in now. Here's some examples of other sinking funds. That's the hard work done. Now to get some progress updates on your sinking funds on the dashboard sheet. After you have input all of your sinking fund data, you will see this has now been displayed on one of the graphs shown on the screen. The key information for each fund, shown here, lets you keep track of each fund easily. Some of the key figures being the current fund balance, shown here, and the amount to 100%, shown here. You can have up to 50 funds at one time, and each will have this level of detail on the dashboard. The headline cells at the top of the page, combined sinking funds value, acting sinking funds balance, and completed active sinking funds, shown here, will update as you input data to each sinking fund. Finally, there is a goal setting section at the top of the page where you can list your priorities for sinking funds or just set yourself some financial or personal related goals. Some examples being shown here. When initially filling out the spreadsheet, there may be some things you're unsure how to complete or how to change. If this is the case, please email at the email address shown here or click the email link in the description below. This will auto-generate an email with the subject header to send your problem to. Thank you for purchasing this product. We hope you enjoy using the Sinking Funds Tracker, and if you do, please like and leave a comment on this video and head to our Instagram page for daily personal finance content. Also leave a comment on the Etsy store product page, and feel free to check out the store for other products you might find useful. All links are down in the description box. Good luck with your finances.